the instructions given to the computer to solve any kind of problem is called program. Correct answer is computer programming. The person who knows how to write a computer program is known as programmer. C languages was developed by between 1969 and 1973 at BISE Labs. Dyna switches. Which of the following is a C language IDE? All of above. An IDE typically consists of all of above. IDE stands for Integrated Digital Environment. A is a software that is used to write or edit computer programs. Text editor. C programs are converted into machine language with the help of compiler. The scientific errors in our programs are checked by compiler. A set of rules to write instructions in a programming language is known as syntax, occurs when the rules of the programming languages is not followed. Syntax error, what is the name of the word that have a predefined meaning and cannot be used as a variable name? Reserved words, another name for keywords is reserved words. All keywords in C language are written in lowercase letters. Constant, double and integer are examples of reserved words. Which of the following is not a reserved word? Float, the place to write header files in C program is top of the program. If a reserved word is used as a variable name, it causes an error. Syntax error.